First, if you're on a computer, just play the video and pause it exactly at the time you want to share. Now, right-click on the video and select Copy Video URL at current time. Check the box that says Start at Time, and then click Copy. Once you've got the link, you can paste it anywhere, like in a message, email, or a social media post, and when someone clicks it, the video will start exactly where you want it to. If you're using your phone, it's a little different. First, play and pause the video at the time you want to share. Then, tap Share and select Copy Link like you normally would. However, on mobile, you'll need to manually add the timestamp to the link. At the end of the copy link, just add T equals 4 minutes 5 seconds. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to share a YouTube link with a timestamp on both your computer and phone. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who might find it useful. See you in the next video.